In today's video, we are going to cover how to delete a Wix website. Start by signing into your Wix account. Once you are on the dashboard, go to the top left corner and click your site name. This opens the site selector, which gives you access to the rest of the sites connected to your account. From there, choose Go to All Sites to open the full list. On the All Sites page, look through your site cards and find a website you want to remove. Take a moment here and make sure you are selecting the correct site before continuing, especially if several sites have similar names or thumbnails. When you have the right one, click the three-dot menu on that site card. A menu will appear with several actions for that website. Select Move to Trash. Wix will then ask you to confirm that you want to move the site to the trash. Confirm that action to continue. At this point, the website is removed from your active sites, but it is not permanently deleted yet. It has only been moved into the trash folder inside your Wix account. If your goal is to remove it completely, stay on the All Sites area and open the trash folder. This folder contains websites that were previously moved out of the main list but have not been permanently erased. Inside the trash folder, locate the website you want to remove for good. Once you find it, click the three-dot menu next to that site. This opens another action menu for the trashed website. From that menu, select Delete Permanently. Wix will ask you to confirm the deletion before it finishes the process. Read the prompt carefully so you know you are deleting the correct website, then confirm the deletion. After you confirm, Wix permanently removes that site from your account. That means it will no longer appear in your active sites or in the trash folder. If you only wanted the site out of the way temporarily, moving it to the trash would have been the stopping point. If you want it fully removed from the account, the permanent deletion step is the part that completes it. The main thing to watch during this process is that there are two separate actions. The first action moves the site to the trash, and the second action permanently deletes it from that trash folder. If you stop after the first action, the website is still stored in your account until you return to the trash and remove it permanently. The Wix website you selected has now been permanently deleted from your account